video for Lyndsie, and just I want to share how much work she has done for me and continues to do for me, and how much help and support she has been. We have been working on building a community, and I have a really good community, but I really wanted to get to know my community and get my community to know me. So with Lyndsie's help, I'm getting to know the people who follow me, and they're getting to know me outside of my website. They're getting to know HANNA, the person and animal communicator, in real life. And I'm really enjoying that. They're enjoying that. I'm getting inspired. They're getting inspired. And I couldn't do this without Lyndsie's help. The technology behind it, what I love about Lyndsie for that is not only is she helping me, but she's also teaching me. So she's empowering me to learn those skills while also guiding and supporting me so I can shine in my first few Zooms and get comfortable with that. So in time, I'll be able to run and manage them on my own.
That she's given me for my business, just trying to figure out where it is that I'm headed, how I want to empower, how I want to impact, and the changes I want to make are just have been mind-blowing for me. And Lyndsie as a person, she cares so much about me and all the other women I see her with, and she just has a way to drill right down to what it is that you're looking for and what it is that you need and who you are to help you live your best life and build your best business. So now, it was kind of on the back burner and it was a thought in my head, but never thought writing a book would be in my future within a year of being in the program and meeting so many amazing women that challenge you and you can have some pretty intense conversations with and not have arguments with or take offense, because you know that they're there to help you discover what you really want.
And she really beautifies a lot of things. For example, I also did an ebook and I did all the content, but she made it really look beautiful. And I've had so many compliments on it. The added bonus with all of this is just in the last month, I added an additional 28 people. That's almost another person, like one person a day in the month, to my email list, just by doing this, because it's having such a reach out there that the people who are on the calls are sharing my emails with their friends and they want to come on and see what it's all about. It's a great way to grow your business by sharing more of who you are with them. And you've got Lyndsie behind you, supporting you and guiding you and being your cheerleader as you're learning that whole process.
Take 4. Hi Fempreneurs. I've been a member of the Fem team now for several weeks after graduating from the YYC Fempreneur Marketing School, and I just want to tell you a little bit about how this has absolutely changed my life and changed my business for the better. So lately I've been doing a lot of videos on my Instagram page and posting very consistently. I started this in March or April at the start of COVID, purely because I'd been laid off from my job and I had this kind of idea of maybe running a business one day and this little Instagram account that I'd made about a year ago. And just with the free time that I had being laid off, I decided to start everything up and kind of dip my toes in the water. And the YYC Fempreneur community, the community is what has helped me take everything to the next level. I have grown immensely as an individual and as an entrepreneur, and I am learning new things every week.
Hi everyone, this is Anna from Anna Castro Photo YYC, and I'm here today to share my experience with YYC Fempreneurs. First of all, thank you. Thank you, Lyndsie, for everything that you do. I wouldn't be doing this video if it weren't for you, so it's great stuff. It's an amazing journey. You learned so much. The content is incredible. And just as incredible is the team. The women that you will meet makes the whole difference. I mean, being an entrepreneur can be really lonely, but having other women that face the same challenges as you gives a whole different perspective to it. So, yeah, again, I wouldn't be doing this video. This was one of the biggest challenges coming into the Fempreneurs marketing school. So, and here I am, and I feel comfortable doing it, which is unthought of for me.
The ability to challenge myself and put myself out there and try these new things, these terrifying things like making videos all the time. The reason that I'm successfully able to do that and get my message out so that I can help my clients and my audience is because of the community and the connections that I have with the wonderful women in this group, with Lyndsie, as well as all the other fempreneurs who just give me the confidence and the encouragement and the feedback and this like safe, non-judgmental, welcoming space. It's like a home away from home, and I look forward every week to our mastermind call, and I'm just so thankful to have these women in my life.
And working with Lyndsie, I think the biggest part is it's empowering. She's pushing me to strive to other areas that I've always thought about, but was kind of scared or hesitant to do, and she's got my back.